The crane involved in that accident is behind me. You can kind of see it poking out from the horizon. The FDNY says 2 people were killed. They were workers, one the crane operator, and another who was guiding an I-beam that somehow came loose. As of late this afternoon, the Department of Building spokesperson says 1 person still had to be extracted from the cab. 134th Street near the corner of 82nd Avenue in Queens became a crime scene after a construction project for a residential building went terribly wrong. A 6,500-pound steel beam being hoisted by this crane dropped from the 4th floor of the building, killing 2 workers at the site.
One of the construction workers was in the cab. The other was outside guiding this piece of steel.
The Department of Buildings doesn't think wind was a factor.
Right now, our preliminary discussions are leaning toward material failure with the rigging rope itself that would have contributed to this failure.
A Department of Buildings spokesperson says the specific crane passed inspection in June. The job approved to extend the 6th floor of the existing building and had proper permits allowing the extension, but the beam somehow broke loose. This man, Joe Musso, who we spotted coming out of a trailer in the construction zone, says he spoke with some workers who explained the gruesome scene.
The crane was picking up the beam to put the beam where it's supposed to be, okay? The wire, the cable snapped, broke, and 2 guys that got stuck, they got caught in the middle of the beam.
Emergency vehicles, police, and caution tapes surround the area as construction workers were escorted away. Union representatives arrived on scene. They're claiming this contractor is putting profits over people.
Our workers and the workers in this city put their life at risk every day they go on a job. Anything can happen.
And the union representatives just say that they believe that the contractor on the job just was not following proper procedures. As for the 2 people who were killed, we do not know their names. We do know their ages 43 and 47, and we were just told that the 1 man who was trapped inside the cab who had died has been extracted. We're live in the Brearwood section of Queens. Reagan, Medgie, CBS 2 News.